Red Dog. Let's do this.
Welcome to Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content.
Hey, yo, stop. Okay, I'll bring a gun.
Hello? Right there.
All the crowd up.
Try not to leave those packages lingering around on the porch. This kid tries to act like he's trying to help this man, but really he wanted to steal it.
You got it? Yep. I was going. You gonna take it over? Okay. No, she gonna leave this. She gonna take it over. Thanks, man. No problem. Good morning, sir. Good morning. How are you? I pray I'm gonna ask for help. Go to the store. Call the police.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, sir. How are you? May I speak with you briefly, please? My name is Larnice. My home burned up in a fire. I'm down here staying at the church. I'm trying to get an ID card. And sir,
I go to work, you come to her.
ma'am. Hello.
No, ma'am, I can't help you, ma'am.
Thank you,
I'm
sir.
I'm sick trying to get over a cold.
Okay, darling. God bless you.
Uh-huh.
I told you I was on the way, and you knew that. What? Where he at? Cause he's here. He's here. No, and he has my phone, and you know that. Yes, you do. Where is he? He has my phone.
Hello?
Let me know what you think of this guy. Seems pretty sketchy. 3 a.m. he wants to use the phone.
Hey, sir.
Yeah.
I was asking if I could possibly call my foster mom, and because I'm not from around here, and I didn't know if you could let me use your Wi-Fi real quick to call her.
No, bro, I can't. I'm sorry.
I wasn't even meaning no harm. I just need to be able to contact her, sir.
No, I understand that, but I just got a family to protect, my guy.
Yeah, I'm 15, sir. I'm a child. I'm not gonna do anything to you.
You're good.
The next door neighbor should be able to help you.
Okay. No problem. Hey, sir. Well, I'm not from around here. I was trying to. Sorry. Ma'am, they didn't help. They shut their door right away.
Yeah, I'll call the cops and I'll have them come out here and have them help you.
Well, I just need to call my mom.
Okay.
That's it. I don't need the cops. I'm not harmed to anybody. I just need to call my foster mom. I'm in foster care, sir. I'm pure hearted. Like I will never do anything to anybody. I just need to call my mom so I can just get home, and I just don't want no cops involved. I don't want no problems with cops. So.
Let me know your opinion down in the comments. Do you think no trespassing signs really work?
Y'all already know that shit.
I don't know who you are, but I'm gonna need for you to leave from around my house.
Ariana, I know that's you. Ariana
What?
Zeller.
I'm gonna need for you to leave from around my house. I don't know who you are.
Right.
Can I help you? Sir? Alright, but you walked on my property by my front door. Okay, but you can't go in my back neither. You live around here? Yeah. Where? I
Visiting who? Where? Then why are you here?
How you doing?
Hi.
Can I help you?
Only if you want to.
Are you lost?
Yeah.
Where's home?
Las Vegas, Nevada.
The long way, brother.
I know. I know.
All right.
Alright.
Good luck, brother.
You want a lighter?
I don't smoke, man. No lighter.
Good.
Yeah.
Me either. Take care of yourself.
You too, man. Take care.
Hello. Hello.
This lady comes onto this porch looking for a ride. She claims the Lord led her here.
Hello, hi, how you doing?
I'm doing well. How are you?
All right, I need a ride home. I know I don't know you, but I asked the Lord to guide me. I stay right here off of
You're an asshole. Sorry, someone just stole from me off my porch.
Don't forget about those other delivery options, P.O. boxes, Amazon lockers, and different pickup locations you can grab them from on your way from work. Let's try to make sure we put the kids' bikes away. These mothers seem to not care what size bikes they steal. As always, I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Please be safe out there.
Sorry, it's raining.
Don't forget about those locked mailboxes. Let's try to transition. Thank you for watching Hood Watch News. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.